Market meltdown. Sensex falls 1,190 points. Nifty drops 361 points amid Fed fear and IT sell-off. IT sector takes a hit. The sharp sell-off in IT stocks weighed heavily on the markets, with the Nifty IT index dropping by 2.3%. Infosys, HCL Tech, LTTS, and Tech Mahindra were among the biggest losers, with declines ranging from 2% to 3.5%. Weak US inflation data, indicating a slower pace of Federal Reserve rate cuts, raised concerns about the future growth prospects of Indian IT companies that depend heavily on US clients. Global economic pressure. Global markets mirrored the losses, with Asian indices declining as persistently high US inflation dampened hopes for aggressive interest rate cuts. A strong dollar index, which stood at 106.39, and higher US Treasury yields, 10-year at 4.25%, prompted capital outflows from emerging markets like India. Concerns over potential tariffs and the U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's policies and geopolitical tensions in Ukraine further soured sentiment. Adani Group stocks rally. In an otherwise gloomy session, Adani Group stocks offered a bright spot. Adani Total Gas surged nearly 16%, while Adani Green Energy and Adani Enterprises saw gains of up to 10%. The rally came after the conglomerate clarified allegations of legal violations in the US, helping the group recover a portion of its recent losses. Investor sentiment remains cautious. The sell-off was exacerbated by the monthly expiry of derivative contracts, which added to market volatility. Foreign institutional investors, FLLs, who had recently turned buyers, slowed their purchases to 7.78 crore rupees after 3 days of consistent buying. Outlook. The global risk environment remains somewhat restrained due to conditions affecting the US Federal Reserve and inflation as well as economic pressures. Technical experts look at 24,000 on the Nifty as a mean reversion level. Markets should be entered cautiously, and that is the same message I wish to extend to our investors, especially in vulnerable markets such as the IT market. Join our WhatsApp channel to get the latest news, exclusives and videos on